Hey, good morning, Bob Trade Genius, the 30th of June again. I want to talk the metals and miners here. So I'm going to start off with silver miners. First Majestic, we've owned this since February, and it has just been on a tear. This is a 50% move, and it's basically been a set and forget trade for me. And if you don't own it, you probably want to take a position and then buy again at a touch of the 100-day moving average if you get a chance, because July the miners and August miners tend to start to really move. But if you don't own First Majestic, you need to probably take a piece of it right now. Heckler oversold right now. You could buy this here, look for a 10% move, and then reevaluate. It's still, they're still fighting this downtrend, and but once this thing goes, this also will move up 300-400%. First Endeavor looks a lot like First Majestic. It's one of the four horsemen that you want to trade during a bull run with the miners. The other two being Goro and Great Panther, but Endeavor already took off. Great Panther is still sitting in the starting blocks here, okay, but it's definitely building a pretty big base. And again, this one, look for a 300-400% move once this thing gets rolling. Wheaton Precious Metals looks just like Endeavor and First Majestic. I haven't traded this one for a while because I'm looking for higher returns. I mean, this move here is, you're talking 10-15% versus 50%. This will not move like the miners will, but it will move nicely, but it'll probably move closer to like 25% of the move that the miners do and the junior miners do, just because it's not a mining stock, it's a finance company, but they get paid in silver. So what you're looking for here is you're looking for interest rates to fall and silver prices to rise, and Wheaton Precious Metal is your game. You got Fortuna here. Fortuna's doing well as well. It's been consolidating. Look at this. This is a consolidation on high right here. So you're looking here is no rush to buy it. But if this thing hits 609, okay, completed a shallow cup, okay, and then I would look for this thing to move probably $7.50 to $8. So keep an eye on Fortuna. Coeur d'Alene has just been in a chop fest, but again, to put a hammer in here, I'd look for a move to $8. I'm absolutely bullish on the miners, and we're rolling into their season. Pan American Silver looks just like Fortuna, starting to put in a consolidation on high. It cracks this 1875 area. Then you're looking at probably a $1 or $2 move higher. Mag Silver, it went back and touched the moving average, coming back through, and looks good, just not as good as the others. SSRM came down, touched the moving average. Usually I wait for a buy signal on the money flow on this thing. It already set oversold, waiting for the signal line now to catch up, and you probably have a 10% move here minimum. And here's silver itself from the basically the mining index. Overall, it looks very constructive. People are getting into this, and I'll put silver up right now. Okay, silver is way oversold. It broke the boundaries. Whenever it breaks this, look at this. Whenever it breaks, it's going to make a run to the high. So we got to move here from 15.15 to 16.25 on silver. I think it's a good play. If you're an income person, I would be selling the 15 puts all day long, and until it moves back into the channel. And I think you'll make some good money. In fact, you could probably sell the 1550s and capture even more income, because I don't think you're going to have to cover it. And let me flip over to the gold miners here real fast while I have you. Okay. That's VIX and gold. Sorry about that. I just went gold. Here we go. Alright, let me do it this way. And we have a bunch to go through. I'm more familiar with the silver miners than the gold miners, so I'll just flip through the charts with you. This one's still trying to find a bottom. ABX looks like it's ready to rock right now. Wow, this looks pretty good. Money flow's coming up. It broke over its moving average. This is a large cap, so it has a lot of liquidity behind it. I think this is a really big move here. Let's see where resistance is. Okay, so 1551. So I would look at least to 1382, then to 1551 for Barrick. AEM looks great. Looks just like Goro. I mean, not Goro. Just looks like a lot like First Majestic and Endeavor. And I would buy this on any dip. Alamos is setting up for another move higher. This one consolidating. Still trying to find a bottom here. Trying to find a bottom here. Yamana looks like it's setting up for a move. This one's trying to find a bottom. DRD I own, and this one I'm looking for a 4-bagger. I'm looking for this thing to get over $10. So this thing will rock when it starts to move. It put its bottom in May, and nice inverted hammer today. And I'm looking for this thing to fly higher. Don't know much about them. Ego, it also put a bottom in here in April, has double bottomed here, and now we'll just see if it can start catching a bid. Money flow is set up for it to move higher, as long as this is not a bear flag. Franco-Nevada had a nice move the last week, broke over. I think it's anticipating higher gold prices. Goldfield looks like it's still putting in a bottom. Gold Corp breaking back over, moving average again. Money flow is set, ready to go. Moving averages are starting to turn up. So this would be one okay to buy. Randgold, I'm not a big fan of South African companies, so it looks like it's trying to find the bottom. Goro, look at this thing, what a beast. It's one of the 4 horsemen that I like to trade. And this thing has been on an absolute tear, just like First Majestic, just like Endeavor. Okay, and any pullbacks you want to buy Goro. Not doing much. Don't know much about them. Harmony still trying to find a bottom. AIG, we tried to do a trade on it last week. Tight stop, but it pushed down and broke our stop. And I think it's tracing out an inverted head and shoulders here. Shoulder, head, shoulder. And at this point, I'll probably wait for it to get over 625, 630 area before I'll take another shot at it. Don't know much about Kinross. Low doesn't look so hot. Newmont, I would expect Newmont to be doing better looking at ABX, but Barrick looks a lot better than Newmont. NovaGold, when things go, NovaGold will rip, but still looks like it's consolidating. New Gold also will rip too, but it looks like it's still trying to find a bottom as well. This one looks really good too. Looks like it's going to consolidate on highs, get above 388. It's going to take its next move higher. Royal Gold looks good. Seabridge, you know, kind of a cup and handle kind of thing, but it failed again. Looks like it's still trying to break out. Sandstorm is just like Franco-Nevada, just like Wheaton. It's a financial company. Still looking like it's trying to find a bottom. Don't know about anything about them. I don't know anything about this one. I don't know much about Tower Hill. This one has been a disappointment to a lot of people. Stay away. Vista Gold's finding a bottom. Don't know anything about this zinc miner either. And back to beginning. So some really good picks in there. It looks like smart money's already bidding in. So, you know, in these cases too, you run with the ones that are moving. You buy a few laggards. But if I were you, I'd be buying Goro on dips, First Majestic on dips, Endeavor on dips. I would be buying Barrick Gold right now, and I think you'll be really, really happy with your portfolio in a year. I think you'll see doubles on all of those. So thanks for listening. Catch us later. We're trading these all the time. I'm running a special right now in the room. You can get the ETF for, it's already 50% off. You definitely pay for the services with what we're doing when we're trading, and we trade this on a shorter time frame too, so we can help you make money. We're in dust puts right now, and just those dust puts alone would have paid for your year of trading with us. So check us out, TradeGeniusAcademy.com, and yeah, the rest of the day to make your decision to get the good deals. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.